Hello everyone, welcome to Scholarly. Today in our English grammar video series, we are going to learn a new topic. The topic is adverbs. In our previous videos, students, we have learned the nouns, pronouns and adjectives and verbs. Today the next topic is adverbs. So let's see what are adverbs. Friends, adverbs are one of the parts of speech. Also, adverbs are a word or a set of words that modifies the verb, adjective or another adverb in the sentence. Actually, the adverbs answers the questions or they tells us when, how or where the action has been performed in the sentence. They also tells us the degree or quality of the action performed. So, we can define adverbs as adverbs, a word or set of words that modifies the verb, adjective or another adverb. As I told you, it tells us when, where and how the action is performed. It tells us the quality or degree of the action. In other words, adverbs modifies the verbs in the sentence or it tells us more about the action in the sentence. So what are the examples of adverbs? The examples are: she sings sweetly, the car moves smoothly. In both the two sentences, the word sweetly, it modifies the verb sing. In the second sentence, the word smoothly, it modifies this moves, this verb moves. So, sweetly and smoothly both are adverbs in the sentence. Friends, adverbs, the examples of adverbs generally ends with ly, as we can see here. Sweetly, smoothly, they ends with ly, but still there are some words like friendly which ends with ly but they are not the adverbs. Some exceptions are there. So how many types of adverbs are there? In this video we are also going to learn the types of adverbs. So there are 6 types of adverbs. We are going to learn this in this video. Let's see which are they. The 6 types of adverbs are: the first adverb or the first type of adverb is conjunctive adverb. The second type is sentence adverb. Third is adverb of time. Fourth is adverb of place. Fifth is adverb of degree. And the last type is adverb of manner. These are the 6 types of adverbs: conjunctive adverb, sentence adverb, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of degree, and adverb of manner. We are going to learn them in detail. So let's see the first type of adverb, that is conjunctive adverb. Conjunctive adverbs very similar to the conjunctions in our parts of speech. Conjunctive, like the conjunctions, conjunctive adverbs also connects two phrases or independent clauses. Conjunctive adverbs, they connects phrases or independent clauses. Conjunctive adverbs also called as connectors. We can call them connectors, which connect two clauses, that are connectors. So the examples of conjunctive adverbs we can write here. We were confused. However, the umpire will come. In this example, the first clause is this: we were confused. The second one is the umpire will come. And this word however, it connects these two clauses. So however is the conjunctive adverb in this sentence. Now let's see the second type of adverb, that is sentence adverb. Number 2, sentence adverb. Sentence adverbs comes at the beginning of the sentence. That is, sentence adverb starts a sentence and modifies the whole sentence. That means it comes in the beginning and it modifies the whole. So we can define sentence adverb as: sentence adverbs starts or start the sentence and it modifies the whole sentence. So, seeing the example of sentence adverb, hopefully the rain will come today. Hopefully the rain will come today. Sentence is the rain will come today, but it begins with hopefully. That is the sentence adverb. This is the example of sentence adverb. It begins the sentence or it starts the sentence and it modifies the whole sentence. Now the third type of adverb is adverb of time. Adverb of time. The adverb of time, it indicates the time at which the action is performed in the sentence. It indicates the time. It answers the question or it tells us when the action has been performed in the sentence. So when we define this adverb of time, we can say that adverb of time indicates the time of action performed. It tells us when the action has been performed. The common examples of adverb of time are now, then, today, Monday, tomorrow, yesterday, etc. This is the adverb of time. Now the next type of adverb is adverb of place. The fourth type, adverb of place. Adverb of place. Very easy to understand. The adverbs which tells us at which place the action has been performed in the sentence. The adverb that indicates the place of the action, that is called as adverb of place. Adverbs that indicate the place of action performed. It tells us where has the action performed. Adverb of place. Some common examples are here, there, everywhere, nowhere, etc. Somewhere, etc. are the examples of adverb of place. Now the next type of adverb is adverb of degree. Adverb of degree. Adverb of degree expresses the importance or degree or the level of the action performed in that sentence. So we can define adverb of degree as it expresses the importance or degree or level of the action performed in the sentence. Also, it tells us how much the action has been performed in the sentence. It tells us how much the action has been performed. Some examples of adverb of degree are completely, thoroughly, then neatly, much. These are the common examples of adverb of degree. The examples I am writing here: completely, neatly, thoroughly, etc. This is the adverb of degree. Coming to the last type of adverb, that is adverb of manner. The sixth type of adverb is adverb of manner. adverb of manner. This type of adverbs, they expresses the manner or the approach or the process of the action has performed in that sentence. We can define adverb of manner is adverb of manner expresses the manner or approach or the process of the action performed. It tells us how the action has been performed in the sentence. It answers the question how the action has been performed in the sentence. So some examples or the common examples of adverb of manner are beautifully, sweetly, smoothly, carefully, etc. These are the examples of adverbs of manner. So friends, in this video today we have learnt what are adverbs and what are the types of adverbs. We have learned the 6 types of adverbs, that is conjunctive adverbs, sentence adverbs, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of degree and adverb of manner. Please do tell us how was the video, and if it would be helpful for you, it is helpful for you to understand this concept clearly. For watching more videos, stay tuned to Scholarly. Till then, take care, goodbye.